37th नॅशनल गेम सद्या गोंयांत चालू आसा आनी गोंयांत सद्या मेडल टॅलीची 50 क्रॉस केल्ली आसा. गोंयांत ऑलमोस्ट हाफ सेंचुरी मारलेली आसा मेडल्साची आनी हो सद्या गोंयाचो बेस्ट परफॉर्मन्स आसा नॅशनल गेम्साचो. आमी सद्या येयल्ले आसा फोंड्या एरियेन आनी थंय आमकां मेळटले एक अशे प्लेयराक जेणी 2017 एका मनशाक प्रॉमीस केल्लें की तो गोंया खातीर गोल्ड मेडल हाडटलो म्हणून आनी ते प्रॉमीस तेणी फुलफील केल्लें आसा. चड तेजे कडल्यान जाणून घेवया की प्रॉमीस कितें आशिल्ली आनी तेजो करियर कसो कितें आशिल्लो तो. हो प्लेयर जावन आसा गोंयचो टायकांडो प्लेयर जेणी गोंया खातीर गोल्ड मेडल हाडलें आसा टी आनंद सर.
Okay, this promise I did to late Shri Manoj Parrikar sir. When I got the award, really he's a role model and I have been looking up to him since I was a child and he's very famous all over India. Wherever we go for national camp, Parrikar sir is very famous, even as a politician and even as a human being and as a person. So during that award function I had promised that with this award I will be giving a gold to Goa at the national games that Goa will be hosting. So there he had also said that the Goa should take care of its athletes. So that was a big motivation for me. This medal is obviously dedicated to late Shri Manoj Parrikar sir. Goa government has been supporting really well for all the athletes. Even we can see the organization, this standard was almost equal to the international level, and it has really doing great in providing us the equipments, facilities, everything. But just my request or prayer to government that it should also look after the security of the athletes, because once after they play, like me, I am already 32 years old, 32, 33 years old now. So we have given our life for sports. So like from other states, it can adopt policies of job security. So that's all I wish from the government. Rest all the government has done a fantastic job.
स्टुडंटा खातीर चेतन गांवसा वांगडा शिरीश कुंकळकार.